So this is what it's like when you first walk in. Have your key and just have to unlock it. And I feel like this is pretty secure because you can see this is what goes into the door as you're locking. And it has this extra lock right here for extra security. And then when you're inside, you will just be able to lock it. And then there's also this top lock as well. This is what the apartment looks like. As soon as you walk in, has these kind of cabinets and a rug. And you can walk through this divider here and you'll go straight into the dining room area. Has a lamp, has a huge mirror, your girl, and then over here you have a side table, a couch, another side table, so very nicely decorated. And then you have a wall full of windows, which is great for lighting. And these curtains are like black out. Like if you want it to be dark in here, it will be pitch dark, which I love. So you can press this button. And if you can see that, the blinds are going to lift and open up and you get so much light. Right across from the couch, you have a TV, have the Wi-Fi password over here, some nice and clean decoration. And then walking in from the dining room, you have the kitchen. The kitchen is so cute and modern. So you have your coffee maker. Don't mind my dishes. You got the sink, stove, the oven, the microwave, the kettle. All of these are cabinets over here. You even have the fridge, which I love. How it just seamlessly integrates into the cabinets here. And it's just a really nice modern kitchen with great lighting. And leaving the kitchen, you have a dining room table, another one, a little gnome and some candy. Also have some windows for some extra light. Next to the dining room set, you have dining board. It looks like you have a washing machine and anything else you need if you want to clean clothes, which I love. In my other Airbnb, I had to buy laundry detergent. So walking out of the laundry / dining area, we can go into the bathroom, and basically the apartment is like one big circle. So going into the bathroom, I absolutely love the bathroom. Have this circle mirror. You have the sink. There's also this compartment with some things you can utilize. You have the toilet and everything, very simple, very modern. But my favorite part is definitely this shower. It is a walk-in shower, and when I say The water is nice and hot. It is nice and hot. And then lastly, we get into the bedroom. The bedroom is super cute, simple. You have your AC, you have your bed, 2 night table stands, which are really cute. The decor is nice and bright. It's just the bed for the most part. And then you have these closet areas with lots of storage if you so need. There's a blanket in there. Just more closet space. And this place actually has an elevator, which makes me so happy.